Welcome to Fujifilm Sonosite Service Training. In this video, we will discuss network troubleshooting. When setting up an ultrasound at a customer's site to communicate with PACS resources, you may encounter network connectivity issues. We will look at some methods to address them. Enlisting the help of the hospital IT staff is necessary for some of these steps. We will be using a Wi-Fi connection using a Panda Wi-Fi dongle. The first place to look is the network status screen. Go to Settings, go to Network Status. Are you connected to the network, either wired or Wi-Fi? If set to DHCP, are you getting an IP address? If not, and you have a wired connection, try a different RJ45 jack. If Wi-Fi, check the Wi-Fi dongle or USB port for damage. Check the USB device's screen to see if the dongle is detected. Also, for Wi-Fi, find out if the MAC address needs to be permitted. This means the access server needs to know the MAC addresses of the devices that want to connect to it. Check with your Wi-Fi admin regarding this. Now select Connectivity. Then DICOM Setup. Next, ping the DICOM destinations, such as your archiver. If connectivity is established, check your DICOM destinations. Use the Verify button on the DICOM setup screen to see if a C echo or DICOM ping succeeds, success or fail. If this fails, check the settings for that destination. If settings are correct and ping fails, find out if there are network devices between the ultrasound and the server. Is there a firewall that they need to allow traffic through? It could be blocked by MAC or IP addresses, or most likely, port number. Another troubleshooting tool is trace route. Have one of the PACS or IT personnel run a trace route from the server to the IP address of the ultrasound. Are there drops or delays? Asterisks represent drops. This could indicate network connectivity or traffic issues. This is particularly valuable at satellite or off-campus clinics when the server is at another location. The vast majority of network connectivity issues are caused by network infrastructure issues, such as network traffic or settings on network devices such as switches, routers, or firewalls. Working with IT personnel will give you the best opportunity to resolve these issues. Also, IT technicians usually have monitoring tools to assess IP connectivity. These can be quite valuable when troubleshooting network connections. With Wi-Fi networks, consider whether using 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. 5 GHz has wider bandwidth, but has a smaller listening radius from the access point and can be more prone to interference. 2.4 GHz may provide slower transfer times, but tend to be more robust. A final note on Wi-Fi connectivity. Consider in what department or location the ultrasound is used. Is it a busy ER, PACU, or OR, where many Wi-Fi devices are in use? How many other devices are transmitting data concurrently? Or are there lead-insulated walls? These environmental conditions will factor into available bandwidth. If there are still persistent network connectivity issues, request that the IT team perform a packet capture. We will discuss this topic in another video. Working with IT personnel and end users together will facilitate resolving these issues. End users can relay their experiences to the IT personnel. Troubleshooting a network connection can be challenging, but armed with this information will certainly make it easier. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.